Hello guys, this is your teacher Nicholas and today we're going to study simple past. So for simple past, we have one auxiliary that is did, okay? And the negative form of did is didn't. So repeat, did, didn't. So remember that we use simple past to describe activities that happened in the past. Okay? Activities that happened in the past. Remember that information. Now, today I am going to explain to you how to create and how to communicate with interrogative, affirmative, and negative sentences. Okay? Let's continue. For the interrogative sentence, we have optional. First, the WH question. Then we have the auxiliary. What is the auxiliary, guys? Yes, did is the auxiliary. So, WH question, the auxiliary did, the person, the verb, the normal verb, and the complement. For example, what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Repeat after me. What did you do yesterday? Very good. Now, we have this example. What did you eat this morning? What did you eat this morning? ¿Qué comiste esta mañana? Or, other example, where did you live? Where did you live? ¿Dónde viviste? Excellent, guys. Now, we continue with the negative form. The negative form goes the person or the subject first, the auxiliary negative. Remember what is the auxiliary negative? Didn't, okay? Didn't. So the person auxiliary negative, the verb normal, the verb has to be normal, nothing happens here. And finally, the complement, okay? So remember, I didn't take a shower. I didn't take a shower. Or, I didn't eat hamburger today. I didn't eat hamburger today. Yo no comí hamburguesa hoy. Okay? Or other example can be Marcela didn't call her mother. Marcela didn't call her mother. So Marcela no llamó a su mamá. Okay? Her, su, de ella. Very good. Let's continue with the sentence, with the affirmative sentences. Okay? So it's super simple because it's like you're speaking in Spanish. Person, verb, and complement. Okay? But because this sentence doesn't have the auxiliary, if you can see, the verb changes. Okay? And we have two types of verbs, the regular and the irregular. The regular verbs, when the verb finishes, you add ed. For example, rented. Okay? And the irregular ones are the ones that change either the written way or the way you pronounce. For example, read, read, write, wrote. Wrote changes its written way, and read changes its pronunciation. Read present, read in past. Now, I am going to explain to you, and I want to point out these verbs. So we have rented, watch it, liked, studied, practiced, listened, played, cleaned, chatted. Now, chatted, you have to pay attention because we have the verb chat. And because this is consonant, vowel, consonant, you duplicate the last letter, okay? So you have chatted with double T. and finally state. For irregular ones, we have write in present. This list is in present and this list is in past. I just needed you to pay attention to the change, okay? Now, write, wrote, read, read, know, knew, meet, met, have, had, buy, bought, make, made, see, saw, think, thought, go, went. You can practice now in your house. One example to create an affirmative sentence is, for example, I bought a car. Yo compré un carro. But you can also pay attention to these adverbs of time that we have last week, semana pasada, last year, año pasado, 2 days ago, ago. So, 2 días atrás o hace 2 días. Este es el hace 2 días. So, 2 days ago or 1 year ago. Hace un año. Okay? Very good. Or other example can be I played soccer yesterday. Yo jugué fútbol ayer. Okay? I just want you to pay attention to this pronunciation chart only for pronunciation. Remember that the words ending in t's, for example here, want, that ends in t, and the verb need that ends in d, you add ed because this is a regular verb. But the pronunciation is with ed, like it. Okay, for example, wanted, needed. Okay, needed. And we have these examples for words ending in p, k, sh, ch, gh, th, ss, c, and x. And the pronunciation, the last pronunciation, the d at the end, finishes in t, t. For example, helped, helped. For example, looked. For example, washed. For example, watched, laughed. Okay? The pronunciation is t at the end. And we have this d at the end. The verbs ending with L, N, R, G, V, S, W, Y, and Z. So, for example, cold, cold, cleaned, offered, endangered, loved. Okay? So the last pronunciation is d. Okay? And this one is t. And this one is id. Okay? So for you to have in mind. Okay, guys, you can have some practice. Don't you stress out with these verbs. You just need to practice and you don't have to learn it by heart. You just need practice and create your own examples. Remember that whenever you create examples, you need to use real and personal examples for real life. Okay? Alright, guys, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.